1996 to 2000. This is something that inspires all of us. We really look up to him, and we are so happy to have heard you speaking on this in detail. The other talks are also very enlightening, and I'm sure we'll go back with many memories of these. And we look forward to the new issue of Accommodation Times, in which these presentations will be carried in greater detail. I am here today for something new and something positive as well. A new association is being formed. It has a wonderful acronym. The acronym is GREAT. And I'm sure that that's what this association is going to do. It is a real estate association to have as its members people of every branch of the real estate fraternity, real estate agents and developers and consultants, those who are participating in infrastructure, and anyone who has an interest in real estate and in infrastructure. The association has been formed by persons who have a great experience in this field. 11 of them are the founders. These founder members have a vision. They want to introduce technology and transparency and trustworthiness. They want to be proactive and they want to be professional. There are real estate associations everywhere, and the best practices of these are to be taken. These are all incorporated in the trust deed of the association, which has just been formed. It's going to be registered with the Charity Commissioner and with the Registrar of Societies. But even before that happens, the association already has plans to have activities, to have programs and seminars for dissemination of knowledge and information. It will have a brilliant website. I'm sure everyone will be able to go onto it and be able to network to get information of whatever is happening in the city of Mumbai. And as the association's activities expand outside Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in India, and as the name suggests, even outside India. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that it is easier in Mumbai to find even a marriage partner with or without a matchmaker than to find the right flat with or without a real estate agent. There are some people who are unfortunate enough or fortunate enough who may have to go through more than one marriage in this modern society. But there are very few people in our great city who can go through more than one home in their lifetime. There are generations who stay in the same flat, one after the other. And it is so difficult, it has been so difficult all these years because of the shortages and the prices to be able to move to something more suitable. But we have seen in the last few years that the quality of real estate development has been so phenomenal that the builders have come out with such beautiful products, excellent buildings with every kind of facility. They use whatever limited FAR and SI they have to make it really seem even bigger and better than it would otherwise have been, and with every facility that is imaginable. This supply and the transparency and the efficiency of the new association will enable one to have more mobility, so one will be able to move from a monogamous state with reference to your own flat to a new state where you can move on to a partner in terms of your flat who is younger, lovelier, and more shapely than ever before. The real estate business has changed a great deal over the years. Till the mid-1970s, you could take a bundle of 1,000 rupee notes in your pocket. They were larger notes then, but they still could fit in your pocket, and go out with that one bundle of 1,000 rupee notes and buy a flat practically anywhere in Bombay. Today, if you want to buy that same flat, you would have to take a sumo with suitcases and suitcases in it in order to buy the flat. So you can see everything has actually truly changed. Life is much more complex as has been discussed. Financially, everything is different, and Bombay has grown a great deal. Right up to Virar, there are projects, and everywhere else, the highways have interconnected different parts of the city which were never possible before. And all this has to be brought to you, all these opportunities that are coming up, the different facilities that there are, the developments in every place, and how to look forward to the future, to see which are the areas which are going to improve. That is going to be the function of this new association. So I welcome the formation of the association, and I'm sure that you will participate in the programs that they have. I'm sure many of you will become members of this, and let us give them a big hand for their new venture.
I would request the great team to please come on the